The Kona Cloud Forest Sanctuary, the only cloud forest in the United States. Rising 3,000 feet above sea level on the island of Hawaii, the Kona Cloud Forest is a wonderful experience for young and old. Professionally guided 3-hour walking tours through a prehistoric forest of exotic trees, plants, and flowers. 20 miles from downtown Kona. 9 miles from Kona International Airport. Awarded TripAdvisor's 2019 Certificate of Excellence. Tours provided by Painted Trees of Hawaii, a 509(2)A educational nonprofit. We live here, maintain the forest, and provide public and private tours, 100% tax deductible. Find us online, #Kona Cloud Forest. Reserve your tour today, 808-640-3888. Aloha and mahalo.